Enova Precision Cooker Bluetooth, perfect to cook within Bluetooth range from the Enova app or from the device manually. Serves up to 8 people. Fits on any pot. Adjustable clamp. Cook like a pro, the Enova Precision Cooker allows anyone to cook a restaurant-quality meal at home. Our Sous Vide Circulator is the perfect kitchen appliance for hands-off cooking of vegetables, meat and much more with consistent control and precision. We're so confident in our product, Enova backs it with a 2-year warranty. Perfect results. Every time, precision cooking enables you to produce results that are impossible to achieve through any other cooking method. No dry edges and no rare centers. Juices and flavors don't escape. Food comes out perfectly moist and tender. Continuous temperature control provides reliable and consistent results every time. Perfect for vegetables, meat, fruit, cheese and much more. Smart device control cooking notifications. Our temperature cooker can be controlled remotely with smart devices, allowing you to escape from the kitchen while you cook. Simply download the Enova app to easily monitor, adjust or control the device from your iPhone and Android or other smart devices. The Precision Cooker also provides you cooking notifications while you're out of the kitchen so you'll know when your food is ready. The Precision Cooker's Bluetooth connection allows you to control the device up to 30 feet away. Easy to use, simply attach the Precision Cooker to any pot, add water, drop in desired food in a sealed bag or glass jar. Start cooking with the touch of a button on the device. The Sous Vide Cooker's timer and precise temperature control allow you to step away and relax while your food cooks perfectly. No additional equipment needed. Get creative with 1,000+ recipes. Choose from sous vide guides and recipes created for home cooks of every skill level by award-winning chefs, with simple directions to walk through each recipe with ease. All available free of charge. Great for beginner and veteran chefs. Simple to clean. The Precision Cooker's detachable stainless steel skirt and discs are dishwasher safe, making this kitchen appliance easy to clean and maintain. Top reviews from the United States. Outstanding. Outstanding piece of equipment. There are loads of recipes and advice for sous vide cooking, so no problems for amateurs like myself. It has taken the guesswork out of cooking the perfect beef steak. No more overcooked and dry pork loin steaks either. I can't really see the benefit of Bluetooth control if I'm honest, as you need to get the water to temperature first before the cooking time kicks in to put the meat in. I would definitely add a vacuum sealer as well to your purchase. You will also need a good size container to put the water. I did not have a pot big enough. The machine is well made, robust and simple to use. As the food does not come into contact with the food, cleaning is simple. The main feature is its simplicity. Compared to other machines, also a good price.